Worried about scratches and damage to your car? Hey, welcome back to Car Care Essentials number 28. Today we're diving into 5 underrated Amazon picks that shield every inch, from sun-fading upholstery and trim-to-scuffed door sills, grease-stained steering wheels, and rain/fog-blinded mirrors ruining visibility. Quick budget-friendly self-install hacks, and all product links are right down in the description box below, so don't skip that later. Ever wanted window tint, but professional shops charge way too much? This car window tint kit is a complete DIY set with all the tools you need to do it yourself. Save big without those high-pro fees. It's product number 1 in video 28. Ever grab your old steering wheel and it's so hot you pull your hand away fast? This car steering wheel cover solves that with breathable microfiber that stays comfortable to hold. Plus it's non-slip so it never shifts while you're turning. It's a small swap that makes every driveway nicer. Ever glance at your car's door sill and see those ugly scuffs from shoes and daily use? This car door sill protector has you covered. It's a self-adhesive carbon fiber strip that sticks right on, keeping scratches at bay and your car looking fresh. Simple to install and totally worth it for protecting your ride. Okay, car gadget number 4 of video 28. Who hasn't hit a random downpour, squinting hard at their foggy, water-smeared rearview? Even the wipers don't save the day. Merging feels like a total dice roll. This rearview mirror waterproof film's a total game changer. Peel, stick, smooth it out flat, and raindrops just beat up and roll right off, giving you crystal clear visibility every single second. Ever hop in your car first thing and boom, windshield's totally fogged up, can't even see the driveway? Up next at number 5 in today's video, this car defogger fixes that fast. Just a quick spray and wipe, and it's crystal clear in seconds. No more waiting around for the heater. Perfect for getting through your daily drive hassle-free. Hey, which of these 5 Amazon car gadgets was your favorite from our 28th roundup? All product links are right down in the description. Go check them out. Hit that like button and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.